the 2026 second generation Nissan Kicks. Right up front, you can tell no more V-motion grille. Hated it. Love this new design. Under the hood, 2-liter, 4-cylinder, 140 horsepower, normally aspirated engine. It's mated to a CVT transmission, which just keeps getting better, or maybe I'm just getting used to it. Got the nice floating grille. Beautiful design. Lots of competitors. HRV, Corolla Cross, etc. But this one you can actually get in all-wheel drive. Really like it. $24,000 for the base S, $27,000 for the SV. This SR with all-wheel drive, just under $30K. Plenty of cargo room, room for 5. Split 60-40 second row. Under here, more cargo space. Really like what they've done. Because I have Pro Pilot Assist, that's that blue button in the upper right-hand corner, I can drive virtually hands-free with this Nissan Kicks. So, as I was trying to show you, really nice features, nice steering wheel, like the gauge cluster, just a lot of nice appointments. Really like what Nissan has done here. Some nice little accents on the gear shifter, a couple of USB-Cs. This is the SR, I believe it gets 4 USB-Cs, and you have wireless Apple CarPlay, and you have Apple CarPlay when you're connected. So a lot of nice features. So I listened to what other people complained about as far as the interior of the Kicks. So the SR that we're driving has a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, but the bottom 2 trim levels do not. Okay, step up and get the SR if that's important to you, but don't complain about it. Also, one of the complaints was that this door sill was hard plastic, when on the SR it's soft plastic. Also, the location of the start-stop button, which is down here, it's really not a big deal. We drive 1 or 2 new cars every week. The location's different for every vehicle. You get used to it, trust me. So I don't know why people complain about the base models. All you got to do is look at the top trim level, and I think this is a beautiful interior, and they did a really nice job of packaging all this for under $30,000. Heard some complaints from some other critics, but to me, this is my top choice. I've just moved it above the HRV, and I'm actually going to help a family friend buy one. I'm Ron Doran. Thanks for watching. See you next time on The Driver's Seat.